Help, oh, help. People help, oh. Help. Know what I'm thinking? When I started talking about this, they think I'm stupid. I'm not stupid. I'm happy everybody is opening up. I am happy everybody is opening up. Please, if you're living in United Kingdom, Ireland, we need help. So last time, I made a video. I did a video last time concerning a lot of our men are looking for a woman to marry in Europe. Please, this time, since last week, I have been getting a message from our ladies that live in London, mostly in London. I have 13 ladies in London, and I have 4 in Ireland. Please, they just keep bombarding me with messages, and they need help. I am happy that a lot of our ladies are now opening up. Everybody's opening up. No more pretend. Hey, please help. Our ladies need help in London. If you're a man between 50 to 60, a man between 50 years to 60 years. So many of our ladies, please. Our ladies, they are calling, they are struggling. They need help from you guys. Our ladies are struggling. They say they just need somebody to come and knock on their door. They need somebody to come and knock on their door. That is 100% Choma work is working. Choma job is working. Our ladies are pleading for please. Any man who been in London or Ireland between 50 to 60 upwards, please, we have so many ladies there. They say they need help. Hasibiko, Noya to please send me your number as soon as possible. If you're living in London or Ireland, we have a lot of ladies there. I'm telling you, these people are opening up. Woo! I'm telling you, Chama work I am so happy that this is, this is going in the right way. These people are opening up. They need help. Please, if you're living in London, I keep repeating, that is all I'm here. Please, if you're living in London and they don't want to get married, these ones, they are very mature. I have ladies I have one 42, 44, 43, 47. All of them are 40 years above. They said they don't want anybody to get married to them. They just need a company. They want somebody, they need company. Please. Our ladies need help. Our ladies that is in London and in Ireland, they are messaging me, begging me to please make this video. They need a man. If you're a man, you are in London, please send your number to me. If you're a man, you are in London, you are living in London City, not Manchester, not Liverpool, not all these places, not Birmingham. They've got the people that is calling me, they're in London or Ireland. If you're living in Ireland, a man between 50 to 60 years, and he don't have any woman, instead of you to be feeling lonely, if they're feeling lonely, conjoin a boogie. Even working between 50 to 60, conjugigi, please contact me. Even working between, I said send their number to me, not here. Send their number to me. There is a lot of our ladies. They are crying. In fact, the woman seem na conjure onion kapora na conjure. Now, in fact, no we go vibrator go na ozuria. No chara work again at least she just want to have fun. Those ladies, they just want to have fun. We should be grateful that they are coming out now. We should be grateful that they are coming out. Don't send their number to my platform. Please don't put your address to my platform. Please send me your picture and yeah, and Afolide, how old are you, and their phone number. Send it to my phone. That is all I need. You see, they are testing me. They are testing me. They are telling me what to say. Okay, I want to. Yeah, okay, this one saw the 50 to 50 and 54. You see what I'm saying? Okay, another one. Just send now. Yes, Choma, you are doing the right job now. This one is now with 2 children and not married, and she did them. She said she's. This one says she's 44. Okay, yeah. Messages are coming in. Please, they need somebody to come and help. Because you know, her bad. They are begging me to ask you people to help. They are begging me to ask you people to help them. So if you don't have any woman, if you are lonely, I can tell you today will be the last day you got be lonely. If you are lonely, you are living on your own. I know, I'm doing it. Please, our ladies are saying they need you people now. And have be grateful for this job, 50 above, because those people, they are over 40. They are over 40. Please, someone walk up in London. Our women that is there, they need your help. If you are over 50, please send me your number. I know. If you are over 50, please send me your number, your picture, and your age. No, they don't want Oshofri. They don't want. They don't want 31 years. No Oshofri, you gonna wow. Please, they don't want. I will. Please, Victor, don't share your number on my platform. I will block it if you don't take it off. Nobody is allowed to share their number on my platform. That is rule number 1. Don't break it. I'll block you. Please don't break the rules. Don't share your number on my platform. You a man between 50 to 60 living in London or Ireland. I have so many. In fact, there is a lot of it, and they don't want anything from you. They just want to be happy. They happy. Now loneliness, they just want a man just a poor guardian, you know, share Nigeria, each other habia, share Nigeria, una no kakoko, guoya, you know, guo, mini. Oh, when kept what I'm saying, and all that is now all vocabulary now, and all gebuya. It's very cold in UK. Please, our men, don't disappoint me. Please, don't disappoint me. Don't disappoint me. Please, share this as much as you can. I need over 50. No, I don't want 40. I'm sorry, because no, none of them said they want a man 40 years. They want over 50. Yeah, 55. Thank you. Please, send me your number as quick as you can. London, in London, not Manchester. I haven't got any lady in Manchester. London, no, don't send Nigeria. Ken, remove your number from my platform. Remove your number from my platform, Ken. Our ladies are crying. I have a lot of messages begging me, Choma, please do this video this night. Oh, so they want men. These ladies, they are living different part of London. I have 4 in Ireland. Please, if you're living in Ireland, I have so many people in Ireland. A lot of ladies here, there. This is much. This is over 18 platform. So now they are not signing them today. Everything you buy now, they are trying to understand it. Now they have decided to be giving. Please, men, come and give me your number. Give me your number. Number. In London, they want you. They don't want your money. They just want bring it, bring it. They want to have fun. They don't need anything from you. They don't want anything from you. These ladies, they just want to have fun. Please, share your number on my phone. The number, now I will release the phone number. Everybody know my number by now. Everybody know my number by now. I shouldn't be calling that number every time. I will bubble up my number. Our ladies are ready. See, please, Choma, we need help. The number to call, I will call this number because it's for only UK use. The number to call is 07308 721192. The reason why I'm not one number, because this is for only UK or United Kingdom or Ireland. You call me on 073 8072 1192. WhatsApp me with your phone number. Our ladies need help. Has na ha chọrọ onye ga-ebe ha okwe na ikpu agụgbuole ha. No more pretend. Since they know me, say yes. Since ha ma onye ngwu, no more pretend. No more pretend. Pretend and let go from now. Ụmụ nwaanyị bi na London na UK si na no more pretend. Na wogi ikpu na agụ ha ha na pretend. Na the woman sim na ha gakwa emekwe pretend again. Please do not tag your number on my phone. Do not tag your number on my platform. I will delete, I will block anybody who will tag the number on my platform. I will block it as soon as I come out online. Please do not tag your number on my platform. Do not tag your number on my platform because I will block you. Obinna, if you don't remove your number, I will block you. My name is Choma Webster. I will block. As soon as someone produce platform, anybody who will tag the number on my platform, I will block it. The number to call is my number. Search for my number and test that number. Don't call me the number to WhatsApp me with your picture and your phone number and your picture and your age. That is all they want to know. They don't care what you are doing. Age gi yana aha gi iwezigbo mmadu. Thank you for tagging my number. If you're living in London, that is the number to tag there. Thank you very much. If you're living in London and you are a man between age 50 to 60 and you are alone, you don't have any wife, you're a divorcee, please don't hesitate to contact Choma Webster. Our ladies are no more, like I don't want anymore. And they may pretend. Choma Webster, no more pretend. They said they want you men. Come. Yes, sister. Yes, I'm doing it. Yes, sister, I'm doing it. You see, they are calling me. They are saying, good job. Please send your number as soon as possible. I need a woman of 75. Please, that is all I can say. I am pleading to a lot of men that live in London or Ireland. I'm pleading, Obi, please. 110. I am pleading, Obi, please. You are 110. I am pleading for Umuwake. This video made last week. We managed to connect about 6 people since then. So it's good, it's working. That is a lot, but I have to ask some questions. But I'm hoping they will come and see me. I don't do hookup, I don't charge any money, but I know this country, a lot of people are going through stress and everything. I know me here. But now they say they don't care because so please, let's just say woo for them to listen. Please give me 100%. I'm doing a good job. My preaching, at least my preaching. Give me 100%. I'm doing a good job. For our ladies to bring out our they have accepted. Please, if you're a man between 50 to 60, come and send me your number. Thank you. Now they're beginning to, love it. Hopefully, other people from other city or other country as well, they will still sending us a message. But now, we just London and Ireland. London and Ireland. Please, if you are here, you see, I'm repeating myself because all of them are online waiting. Please, someone in case him. I want to check. I'm got this one. Sister, as soon as possible. Awesome. I am 43 years old. I have 2 children. I need a man as soon as possible because the weather is too cold for me to handle. This one, as him, sister, I have a child, but the child passed away. No husband. I've been on my own for 9 years. I think after listening to you, I am ready to move on. Please, but I'm not ready. Just say, please, I am not ready to marry now. But I need a man to, actually me go woo. So please, share this video. You can see my job is working. I'm hoping very soon we'll be announcing in Nigeria. Can I make people Ghana? As a major dash, see what people Ghana. The London they will go, the island they will go. Please, this is how it's supposed to be. If you die, in one eliegi. So what is the point? In a dodge the ibu. When you die, you don't go. Baba ijabo. When you die, I could take it again. When I die, I don't go. Baba ijabo. Hey, gee, God is wonderful. Come on. I created masturbation and actually boom. Next week I will discuss about that masturbation issue. Not now. Nigerian guys, no, I'm not. Please, Nigerian ladies, I don't know yet. I don't have anything about Nigerian. Please, this is about London and the island. If you're a man between 50 to 60, send me your number. A man between 50 to 60, because the ladies I have, all of them are over 40. So they don't want anybody young. They want a man between 50 to 60. Thank you and have a wonderful weekend. My name is Chioma Webster. You can follow me you can follow me on my YouTube, Chioma Webster Comedy. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.